The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, southwestern Morgan County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, southern Berkeley County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, northeastern Hampshire County in eastern West Virginia, until 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:08 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located over Inwood, or 8 miles southwest of Martinsburg, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 50 miles per hour could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. This includes Interstate 81 between Martinsburg, West Virginia and Cedar Hill, Virginia. Locations impacted include Charlestown, Greenwood, Ranson, Inwood, Harpers Ferry, Kearneysville, Corporation of Ranson, Bolivar, Shenandoah Junction, Middleway, Clearbrook, Ridgeway, Bunker Hill, Bloomery, Arden, Cedar Hill, Unger, Millville, Brewstown, and Glengarry. Precautionary preparedness actions: consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. If traveling on a highway, find the nearest exit or rest area and park safely away from traffic. Allow snow squalls to pass before attempting to resume travel.